Hey, Kharisma here. Welcome back. In today's video, I am going to be sharing 50 ways for you to really find yourself. And the most effective way to really get in tune with who you are is to ask the right questions. So today I'm going to be sharing a series of 50 questions for you to really ask yourself so that you can start really uncovering who you truly are. This is for someone who may be at a crossroad in their life and not sure where to go, where to turn, what is your next move, or you could be well on your way, but you still need some more clarity and direction for who you truly are. Who are you at soul level? Who are you in this world? As a spiritual being having an earthly experience, we live in this realm. And in this realm, we really need to show up as our best self. So I'm going to be sharing those 50 questions for you to really take time to answer and take the time to ponder so that the revelation to these answers can come through you and can really be the guiding force to your best self. So, number one is, what do you love about your life? Number two is, what do I feel about my life that is missing, and what do I desire to have more of? Number three is, where do I want to be in 5 years? Number four is, who are the people in my life that make me the happiest? Number five is, when am I the happiest in my life? Number six is, what do I love doing? Number seven is, what am I afraid of? Number eight is, how can I improve my daily habits? Number nine is, what steps am I taking to reach my goals? Number 10 is, what makes me upset? Number 11 is, how can I add to my happiness? And I'm just referring to my notes here. Number 12 is, am I doing all that I can to reach my goals? Number 13 is, what areas of my life can I improve in? And number 14 is, what are 5 things that I love about myself? Number 15 is, what are 3 negative mindsets I need to let go of? Number 16 is, what will I accomplish next year? Number 17 is, how can I improve my daily routines? 18 is, what is one piece of advice I'll give my future self? Number 19 is, how can I love myself more daily? Number 20 is, what can I do to practice more self-care throughout the week? Number 21 is, what are 5 things that make me smile? Number 22 is, what steps can I take to be the most confident version of myself? Number 23 is, how can I show others more love and compassion each day? Number 24 is, who makes me the happiest? Number 25 is, what is my number 1 goal for next year? Number 26 is, if I can relive one moment, what would it be? Number 27 is, if I can time travel, where would I go? Number 28 is, how would I describe a perfect day? Number 29 is, if I could be anything in the world, what would I be? Number 30 is, if I could travel anywhere in the world, where would I go? Number 31 is, how would I describe my ideal life? Number 32 is, what is most important to me? Number 33 is, if I would describe myself, what would I say? Number 34 is, if my friends were to describe me, what would they say? Number 35 is, how can I create more positive habits? Number 36 is, what are 3 things I need to stop doing daily? Number 37 is, what are 3 positive things I should start doing right now? Number 38 is, what's on my mind right now? Number 39 is, what are the top 25 things on my bucket list? Number 40 is, who inspires me the most and why? Number 41 is, when was the last time I laughed until I cried? Number 42 is, what are 3 things I need to do more of? Number 43 is, what do I forgive myself for? Number 45 is, what do I want to take into the future? Number 46 is, what am I grateful for? Number 47 is, what do I need more of? Number 48 is, what are my top priorities? Number 49 is, there something I need to change that may be holding me back? And finally, number 50, what are my goals for next month? Now, I hope that these 50 deep, searching questions is really going to help you uncover, discover, get more clear of your best self so that you can live your best life and so that you can live your purpose-driven life and so that you can really step into that next level version of who you truly are. I hope that this video has been of value to you. If you do find it valuable, please share, like it, and subscribe to the channel. Join the family if you're not part of this family already. And follow me on Instagram at Kharisma_Aro. And if you do desire deeper support, join the Dare to Be Iconic Club, where you'll be mentored and supported to become that next level version of who you are, and also to really have the impact in the world that you are meant to have, and for you to really attract and receive the money that you desire and the life that you desire to live. Join me on the inside. The link is in this description below. And as always, until next time, remember, dare to be iconic in business and life. Bye for now.